QSSI is a true manufacturer with over 35 years of experience in electrical and lighting products. Our 5 U.S. locations are strategically placed to support quick service anywhere in the country. Our Walden, New York facility services the Northeast and provides support to our other U.S. locations. Each facility builds products to order with a 98% fill rate within 3 days and a one-piece minimum order. QSSI has invested in extensive inventory at each location with the philosophy of never run out. Each of our locations have a complete showroom, allowing customers to experience our products firsthand and offer employee education and training. Fixture kits and products are manufactured in our facilities and regularly delivered and placed into inventory. Our skilled production personnel assemble LED fixtures according to all required safety standards. Manufactured fixture housings are combined on the line with LEDs, drivers, and controls in the exact configuration needed for your project. Standard fixtures can be customized in-house to meet customer project requirements. Pole cutting, and custom color powder coating. Products are shipped directly to the job site using experienced trucking companies. At QSSI, items are always in stock and ready to deliver. QSSI has invested in facilities, inventory, and manufacturing systems to provide consistent, quality products for your project for over 35 years. Check out all of our products at QSSI.com.